you say something? Oh, okay. What's that mean? Is it time to get up? One more time. Do it. Do it. Come on. You're not going to do it. Okay. I'm going to walk over here and you're going to do it, right? So I'm too close? That's what I thought.